To help your B-Series tractor operate at its maximum potential, regularly scheduled maintenance is crucial. Changing the oil and filter on your machine is easy to do. Precautions regarding personal protection should be followed as described in your operator's manual. Your local Kubota dealer will have the correct oil and oil filter. You'll need both to complete this task. You'll need an oil filter wrench, a selection of hand tools, and a drain pan. Shop towels will also be helpful. Warm the engine for a few minutes prior to draining the oil. First, you will need to place a drain pan below the oil drain, and then remove both drain plugs. There will be one on each side of the oil pan. Turn the drain plugs counterclockwise with the correct size wrench to remove. Once the oil has been completely drained, reinstall the drain plugs and tighten properly. Be careful not to over-tighten and be sure to properly dispose of used engine oil. Raise the hood. Then remove the side panel. Then remove the oil filter using an oil filter wrench if necessary, counterclockwise to remove it. Clean the metal surface on the engine. Put a film of clean engine oil on the rubber seal of the new engine oil filter. Then install the new filter turning clockwise. Once the rubber gasket contacts the base, turn an additional half turn by hand. Finally, fill the engine with new oil. And be sure not to overfill the engine, as this could cause engine damage. Run the engine for a minute or so after filling, then check for leaks. Then shut it off and double-check the oil level and correct the level as necessary. The first oil and filter change is due at 50 hours. After that, it should be at 200 hours, and every 200 hours after that. Be sure to consult the operator's manual for all of the maintenance intervals. It's also important to check the oil level prior to each use. Thanks for watching. Kubota. Together, we do more.